Have you ever found the perfect item online, but the price tag made you hesitate? And what if you could spread that cost out over time with a super fast, easy process? That's what a buy now, pay later solution is all about. And one of the biggest names in that space is Younited Pay. But the question is, where can you actually use it? Younited Pay is a European company, and its services are specifically tailored for the European market. If you're a customer looking to use Younited Pay, or a merchant considering offering it, you'll find it's available in several key countries. The primary markets for Younited are France, Italy, Spain, and Portugal. They've also expanded their footprint to include Germany. So, if you're shopping online at a store that partners with Younited Pay in one of those 5 countries, you're in luck. The process is designed to be quick and fully digital, letting you get an instant decision on your purchase. This isn't just about consumer loans, it's a full-fledged payment solution. Younited Pay works with a wide range of partners, from major telecom companies and electronics retailers to furniture stores. They've built their platform to integrate seamlessly with both online stores and physical locations, giving customers more flexibility. It's a system built on speed and transparency, which is why it's gained so much traction. So, to sum it up, Younited Pay is available in France, Italy, Spain, Portugal, and Germany. The company's focus on these specific markets allows them to offer a highly streamlined and localized service.